Hey guys, hope that you are going well. Little video, this time not dedicated to the fake twins, the two tanks that you know maybe already, even if they are quite nice looking and begging for some food as usual. Here you have the Discus, a mix between Wild and F1 from Santarem. Here you have the Trophus, Wild from Cyclidenstadel. But today, no, it's not this tank. Even if I stuck to them, this is a new one. Over there. Yeah, with a little light effect presentation, as you can see. Sadly, it won't be to keep it. It won't be for here. And in fact, it's to do a nice present to another fish keeper, a kind of little upgrade. He's coming from a tank slightly little smaller, but in fact the tank that he has currently has an internal filter, so he's losing some space, and also on the top he has a kind of cover, so he's losing also some visibility. And here, thanks to manufacturer in Germany, we got a very nice 250 liter, so it's 1 meter 50 per 50, quite very simple for the dimension. And another requirement or specificity, I don't know if you can see it, if I put it like that, you see guys, here this is 80 centimeters, this is more or less the common elevation for the tank. And because he would like to enjoy his tank stand up, I put it at 80 centimeters high. So he has a higher space under the tank with a custom build for the support. And you will see it's a quite advanced custom. Above this is some clear glass, you can see, no green coloration. Interestingly, this is clear glass all on the side, but not on the bottom. On the bottom, this is a normal green coloration glass, I would say. For the lighting system, this is just an example here. It's not necessarily the final assembly, I would say. It's from EIM. This is the basic version. And the basic version, they don't have any programming possibilities, so it's a bit complicated to let it here, I would say, a bit shad. It's an open tank or rimless tank, as you can see. And to me, it's really nice, and you can set up something very design and beautiful. If you want to close it, there are always possibilities to close your tank. And for this one, he will get something interesting, just lately ordered from Amazonas bacon.eu. I can advise you to have a look on this website. The guy is doing a lot of did-it-yourself project, very interesting. So by the way, back to the tank or to the support. The tank you saw, it's 3 holes on the bottom, 2, 2 and 2, 2 on each corner. Since the beginning, I knew that he will use a canister filter, so a closed water loop. So in theory, you just need 2, input, output. But thinking that maybe he could enjoy to have at one moment some extra filter, like the nice sump running here, I thought, okay, in advance, I can already require 2 more holes, and I will see later on how I will use them. So typically this is the input to the filter, and this is the output, the return back to the aquarium. And at the end you can see that the 2 other holes, I already found out a way to use them. So I was quite myself surprised, I would say, but it's very cool. Here you can understand quickly what it is. This is a hair system. Instead, in fact, the complete tank, you will see it, I hope, at the end, without any one cords, tubes, or whatever coming in the tank. So this is the idea. And here, this is the return. You see two returns. And you will ask me, oh, but why is it so complicated with something here that we don't necessarily see properly what it is? And here you put a kind of epsilon or T connection. And here you have a little valve, but what is the point of this little valve? And you can already see something quite interesting here. I will tell you in one of the next video the purpose, but you can guess when you have such kind of connection how to use it. But if I give you this here system, I would say this one from Aquamedic, and I give you this T connection and this return to the tank, you can guess as well what could be the all the time way of using it. This is times to times, and this is all the time running this way. So by the way, back here to the filter, up, you can see it's a nice OAS filter. Interesting because you have a component, you have the heater, and you have this pre-filter in a very easy way in theory to change it and to clean it. It's to help somebody to have good water quality, even if it's with a canister. And behind you have another setup because you would like to have a lot of plant. And you would say that I'm not skilled at all with plants, but we will see. You have a little feet behind, you see? And with this little feet, you can hold the CO2 bottle properly on the same moving support to make everything back under the tank. You have the same system above, quite easy, nothing really special. So right now I still have to finish some panel to make it if possible as nice as such kind of setup. And I'm not sure that I will do it up to the end, and maybe he will have to do a little bit of job of work, already enjoying his working on it. So by the way, this is a new tank. Project started since 2 months maybe, I don't remember exactly, but to order each part, this is aluprofil, myaluprofil.de. Have a look, it's this profile, aluminium profile. The stand complete costs €200. So to remind you, it's for 250 liter, and you have such kind of flexibility and finish and level. I wouldn't go for any other system than this one right now. I have experience with that, and in fact, I guess you made the connection. Yo, this is exactly the same system for the fake twins. You know, hop là. So that's all, guys, for the days. And yeah, take care. That's all for the days. Ciao.